Welcome to another video in the Myriad Cloud tutorial series. My name is Bella, and today we will be taking a look at BR Archive Lite, the new service which offers virtually instant review and download access to audio from the past 48 hours, for all BR streaming and Myriad Cloud customers. So let's take a look. Log into the broadcast.radio portal using your username and password, and then click on the Archive button. This will take you to the BR Archive interface with the most recent hour selected. Let's take a look at some content from yesterday. In the left-hand panel, click on the day/date that you want to review. You will then see the shows for the day are listed in the center panel. Select the show you are interested in, and the content from that show will be displayed on the right-hand panel. To review content from that show, simply click on it, and it will automatically start playing. You can use the transport controls to start and stop playback, and move forward and backward in the audio. If you hold down the Shift key and use the left mouse button, you can select multiple items. Once you have made your selection, you can click on the Download button to download the audio for the selected items. You can move around the selected show using the progress bar or by clicking on another item inside the Our Content panel. If you want finer control over the download period, click on the Settings cog and tick the Show Advanced Download Controls option. This will display the selected period on the progress bar, and can be adjusted by dragging left or right on the selection bars. Once you've selected the period you want to download, click on the Download button. You can clear the selected period by clicking on the X button. Another option is to listen to the audio and use the Set Start and Set End buttons to set the selected period. Once again, to download, click on the Download button. Clicking on the Jump to Most Recent button will take you to the currently broadcasting show. As you can see, it is currently 16:04 in the afternoon, and we're able to access the archived audio from 16:03 onwards. Typically you can access the audio from BR Archive around 30 seconds after it's broadcast live on air. And that's everything you need to know to get started using BR Archive. Thanks for watching.